Alright, we were packed up and out of Rim Cow. We were told 7:50 the bus would be here, and it's usually always a bit late. And 7:30 we got a knock on our door and did a quick mad dash. I was just getting out of the shower and finishing packing still, but we are on the ferry here. Pulled her off, and now we are off to Phuket by ferry.
Yeah, it's supposed to be, I think, 3 or 3.5 hours by ferry to Phuket, so.
Across the Andaman Sea we go.
I think we're doing a mid-ocean boat transfer. That was the craziest boat transfer ever. Just in the middle of the ocean, pull up to a boat, jump on over. Why not?
We are off the ferry, got a taxi from the ferry to our condo, and we are cruising through Phuket in a moment here. There she is, home sweet home. Sugar Palm. And here we are, last Airbnb in Thailand at the Sugar Palm. This is beautiful. It's huge. Got this nice big open kitchen behind me here. Nice big living room. Look at this view. We're on the 9th floor out of 12 floors. This is probably our nicest Airbnb yet. We have yet to check out the fitness room and the pool. And rooftop terrace on our floor. We are going to rent our scooter here in Phuket. Let's find out what we get. Will it be a Honda Click again?
I hope so.
You hope so? Me too. The Click was good to us. So we got my license and we are ready to go.
We don't have that much experience renting scooters, but from what we've heard, a lot of places never ask for your international driver's license. So
We are prepared.
at least we're prepared. Alright, we've got our scooter rentals sorted out here. They had somebody come over to the hotel quickly and give us the bike. It's another Honda Click, so we're super excited about that.
Messing with my Click. Click. Click.
We honestly don't even know anything about the scooters or bikes here, but yeah. So we've got our helmets, we've got our bike, and we're gonna head to Central Festival Mall because Luke loves his malls. Luke loves his Asian malls. He doesn't like any other malls.
Hate malls normally, but as I've stated in previous videos, it's a good hub.
Yeah. Let's head over to the mall. Alright, crazy ride on the freeway and we made it to Central Festival.
We had to go underground through a tunnel. We missed a turn and there was a down into a tunnel, so we shot around, grabbed some gas. They gave it to us dead empty. I thought we were gonna run out, but we arrived at the mall safe and sound. You have to get a cash card. You prepay the cash on it, and then you can use it anywhere in the food market, and they give you your change back. Yeah. Alright, we are back from the mall. We got a good lunch in. We got a bit of shopping, checked out the mall. It was a pretty nice mall, and there's even a second side across the highway we never got over to. So probably go there one of the other days coming up. Now we're gonna get back out into the traffic, take the scooter for a rip. We're gonna go to a Big C grocery store. You may remember in Chiang Mai we had a mini Big C near us, but we're gonna go shop in the actual Big C supermarket. So
Let's go!
it's like Walmart in here. Ow.
Okay, so I've decided to make some vegetable, what are they called, salad rolls? Yeah, I'm gonna make salad rolls for dinner tonight and maybe something else on the side. So we're picking up the veggies for it now.
Why not? Because it's a waste of money and sugar, Luke. We just found a brand differentiation. It's Healthy Boy brand and Fat Boy brand. And it comes down to different calorie contents, whether it's low calorie or high calorie. They break it down by Healthy Boy and Fat Boy. Our basket is getting full. Time to get out of here.
Back from Big C, and here's our haul.
Good little shopping haul. That was crazy. It was like Walmart, but out front they had sit-down restaurants, fast food. The parking lot had kiosks. Now Alysha's gonna whip up some curry and salad rolls, and I'll be the wingman on that. And then we'll get to eating.
Good morning! Alright, so we had a bit of a slower start this morning. We got a little workout in and I was going to start some editing, but I realized I was going through the footage and we were missing like 3 days worth of footage from the GoPro. And so I scoured the freaking computer, looking for it, finally decided that I must have accidentally deleted it. Luckily I found out, I didn't know this before, but you can recover deleted footage from SD cards.
Like the FBI.
Yeah, like the FBI. So yeah, I spent my morning downloading software and recovering the SD card, and luckily we did get the footage back, so it was all worth it in the end, a couple of dollars later. But yeah, so now we're heading back to Big C. We just went there last night, but we're gonna go check out some of the non-food stuff that they have there because we were too tired and hungry to check it all out last night. So we're gonna go look at that, and I think tonight we're gonna head to the night market.
Yep,
right?
That's the plan.
Yeah, there's a weekend night market close to our house here, so we're gonna find out what that's like too. Let's do it.
I'm on the search for a kitchen towel because that's the one thing our Airbnb doesn't have, unfortunately. So it gets quite annoying when you're washing stuff and you have nothing to dry it off.
And I've got a $20 pair of Bluetooth headphones to test out.
We made it to the market, and we may have also made our own parking stall.
It is hot, sticky, sweaty, and busy in here. Yummy, yummy, yummy. What the convenience stores try and recreate. First night Phuket market's a wrap. It was busy and bumping. We got some food, checked out some stuff. We're gonna go back there tomorrow, maybe around 5 o'clock. It opens at 4. So get there a bit before the crowds are there, make shopping a bit easier. Find Alysha some flip-flops. We never found them in Lanta. And we will see how that one goes, but... Oh! Oh! Oh no. Uh-oh, I'm trapped in the alley. It doesn't open without our key card. That is a wrap for today. We didn't find any flip-flops in Koh Lanta, so that's still the mission. And we will catch y'all tomorrow. It's been a day. Night. In the next video, we check out Phuket Old City's Sunday night market and also visit Monkey Hill, then have a little movie date night.
Thank you so much for watching, and remember, if you liked the video, please give it a like down below, and if you haven't, follow us on Instagram. See you on Saturday, bye!